Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Google Calendar. So basically it's pretty easy just to like do all this stuff. Um Maybe reminders, maybe birthdays that you could do, tasks you could do. You could add like your timing or a reminder to setting your time on events maybe. Okay, so first you see all of this stuff. You could change your bright or theme to like dark, light, or maybe like just timely, which is like in like the morning it's light, and then when it's like dark, it's like dark, and then yeah. Here you could see the calendar. You could see like the help service thing, all of my calendar stuff. Um, the dates and stuff. You could go back and see your previous dates, or you could go all the way to the front to see more dates over here. Um, Here you have the week. So over here, you can change it to the day, week, month, year, schedule, and 4 days. We could do a month. So here it shows all the dates for the month. Or you could do the year, which shows all of the months over here. Sorry. You could search for people. Yeah. Here's the settings. You could go to settings over here. It shows all of the time zones, the language, the time formats, the keyboard style, events settings, notification settings, view options, Google Workspace smart features, keyboard shortcuts and offline, important and export, import or export them. General stuff is just all this. Add to calendar, subscribe to calendar, create a new calendar, browse calendars and interests, and from URL. Here it just shows all the global holidays, so you could just choose all that. You could put Christian holidays, more all of these holidays, I guess. Yeah. And then here just shows all the holidays in the United States. You could also just unclick that and just show all your tasks or anything like that. Public holidays and then other observances. You could put holidays in any of the countries over here. So do Cambodian. I'll do Hong Kong maybe. Japan, maybe. Yeah. I think that's basically it. Let's go back to settings. By creating like a task or an event, you could always go to the task, event, or appointment schedules, which is new, to the update. So you could click on here, and then you could put your doctor's appointment or so. So you could put doctor's appointment. Doctor's appointment over here. The appointment, how long did it last? Should each appointment last about an hour or an hour and a half? Or you could also customize it. Here's just the schedule Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is unavailable for right now. Unless if you just add it over here. Over here is just book appointment settings, adjusted abilities, schedule windows and calendars, all that. Discard it. Create. So I'll go show you guys on how to use the. Okay, so over here, here's your task. I mean events. So over here, you could add your title, which is like doctors or birthday party. You could add your time zone, your date over here. You could add Monday or just skip all the way to like 2026 or something. 22. Just put that as your date. Put your time on where Like it starts at this time or this time. Or you could also just customize it or customize it as like all day or just your time so right now. Add your guests, Google Meets, add locations, add descriptions or Google Drive attachments. Then your options over here. Make sure to save it so that it will show in your calendar. Or you could also do tasks. It's just the same thing. Add your title, like birthday, or tasks like wash dishes. You could add your task, make it to an event, or you could take it to the task, the appointment schedule, or you could add your ad description over here. So like make sure to wash the dishes at 1 here. So over here, it'll just show your tasks or anything like that. So you could add your basically like your events or so. Make sure to save it so that it will save on the thing. So after you save it, you could also go to the day, the week, the month, or the year, the schedule, and how it shows like all of this. Make sure to save all your kinds of things that you save so that you'll remind yourself or yeah. Here's just all the tasks you have to do. 4 days, it just shows 18, 19, 20, 21. Skip that one. And then it'll show all 4 of these days. So yeah, basically. Anyways, over here, it will show all your tasks, your contacts, your maps, get add-ons. You could add over here. Scroll all the way down here. CMS reminder for Google. Notebook, Write for Gmail, all those stuff. Apps, this to discover all this form, ChatGPT, Microsoft Teams, Box, Calendar Toolbox, Lewis Scale, I think. You could also just put all of these, check marks all of these so that it'll put all the information on here. So done. So I guess it does not work for all of them, but you could also just clear all of them. And then it will show all of these designs on, these are like the built by Google apps to discover, business essentials, works for everyone, most popular, top rated, works with Drive, works with Google, works with Calendar, works with Docs, works with Sheets, works with Slides, works with Forms, works with Classrooms, works with Chat, works with Meet, and then works with Gemini. So all these, you could also have price free of charge. Mostly all these are free since, or paid ones, so just like the ones that you gotta pay, pretty sure. So let's go click on one. So you can also install it. For the paid, unless if you we'll see any of these. Yeah, you could also get them. Here's a drop down bar here, built by Google, works with anywhere, business essentials, has to discover, most popular, top rated, categories, item managed. Here's Canva, Lucid, Chart, same thing. Loom is a recording, meeting, all that. The chat, IFT, PagerDuty. So if you want to click on one, you could just install it right here, like GitHub, or let's just install it. So here, it'll just install all that, and then it will show on the side of the bar that it will show. Unless if you like download it on like slides or something, that it'll show in the slides one. Or if you download it for the Google Drive, then it will show in the side of here of your drop down over here. So yeah. It's basically all you had to do with calendar. I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy how to use calendars, just tasks, all that. Here's just appearance, which is pretty new. Default. So it'll be morning, night. Change the color. So you can change the color in the light one to like black text or white with white text. Compact. So compact is just very small, smaller, or because if you have a lot of stuff and you have like a lot of tasks to do, then you could change it to compact so that it will show like mostly all of them. You could have dark, compact, responsive to your screen, so it'll just show all that. I mean, I think it'll turn into compact more smaller if you add a lot of tasks, basically. But yeah, here today, you could just go back. You could just schedule all of them in like 1 year, and then it just show. You could also just click back, all that. Search for people so that like if you like share a calendar with someone, you could also just share it to like see other people's calendars. Like if you want to hang out with someone but their schedule's like walking their dog or something, then you know that they have a schedule for the calendar that they're walking their dog or something. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, I think. So yeah. It's basically easy. You could just schedule it by clicking on any of the times over here by today or any kind of day if you want. This week, year, schedule, what days. You can also just click on it like 10 a.m. Here, just 10 a.m. Over here that you have a time over here. You will have to do like a video or something, or you have a schedule for mostly anything that you want to do. Basically like walking your dog, feeding your cat, take a break on your phone, or anything like that. Yeah. So basically, guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification for more other videos to see in the previous ones, or for more other new videos of gaming stuff or educational stuff in general, DIY stuff, building stuff. So yeah. Bye, guys.